When you have no debt, what kinds of decisions do you have to make with each paycheck? Your savings account is full, so you can add more to the budget for your trip around the world. But wait, that money is already set aside for 2 years of travel. Your time volunteering and visiting the Haitian orphanage you helped fund will happen when the kids are out of school. So maybe it's time to put a paycheck or two into the business you always wanted to start. That could even make you more money and help your family get ready for when you die. So in today's video, we'll discuss 10 key tips for living debt-free. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Number 10. Learn. Keeping track of your debt and spending can help you get out of debt and keep your money from running out in the future. Even though owing $12,000 to $200,000 or more might not sound like a good thing, it can be good. Installment loans and credit cards are often bad debts, but home mortgages and college loans are usually good debts because they have long-term value. Try different calculations with your current and expected income, the number of payments, and the length of the loan. For example, the average debt for a college undergrad is about $20,000, and a 2009 study found that it takes an average of 11 years to pay it off. If the amount of your debt is too much to handle, think about how your small purchases add up. Number 9. Flee temptation. With some knowledge of your buying triggers, changing habits may be necessary. If you shop on the internet on Saturday mornings or can't pass that antique shop without going in, take a break from the internet and a different route around the shop. Get away from temptation by physically moving away from it. If it costs at least $7 per day to leave work for lunch, bring leftovers and put snacks in your filing cabinet, but stay in the building. Number 8. Be uninterested. We can get out of debt with the help of books, websites, and our friends and family. Some people say that you should pay off the bills with the highest interest rates first. Once you've done that, you can add the amount you were paying on the first bill to your payments on the next debt. With each payment, the amount paid goes up and debts are paid off faster. Others say that the smallest balances should be paid off first because it's motivating to get rid of a payment or two right away. The smaller monthly debt payments are then used to pay off other bills. Still others say that you should combine all your debts and pay them off with a larger payment each month. Number 7. Track values. There are different groups of people who use coupons and buy in bulk. Some people clip, file, and track to save the most money. Some people try buy one get one deals every now and then when they go to the warehouse club to buy a lot of diapers or toilet paper at once. Others throw away the coupons and make frequent trips to the store to see what's on sale. Knowing what makes you spend money can help you choose a value camp. If you have a big family to feed and like to hunt for deals, coupons are a great way to stretch your budget. If you eat a lot of fresh food and don't keep many supplies on hand, trying to fit your lifestyle into the coupons you have could mean buying things you don't really want to eat and use. Number 6. Anticipate. Working toward a purchase can make you more excited about getting it all at once. When you know you need to buy something, it can be easier to come up with the money for it. You don't have to worry about going into debt or getting a loan. If you have enough money for a down payment, you might even be able to talk the price down. It's easy to open a bank account, and putting money into one for a specific purchase helps keep the money together as it grows, so it doesn't get spent on other things. Watching the amount in a savings account grow and celebrating small steps toward a spending goal are also good ways to keep from making small purchases along the way. Number 5. Bill yourself. You are in the minority if you save more than 6% of your income, according to the U.S. Department of Commerce. Few people have enough money saved to pay for an emergency or even a planned event like a wedding. So financing is used to cover immediate needs. Taxes and funerals are things that everyone must deal with. But most people don't have enough cash on hand to pay for them. In all these situations, both the bill and the interest must be paid. Each month, send yourself a bill and pay that bill first. Try giving away $50 to $100 of any extra money you make and see if you miss it. If the amount makes your cost of living too tight, try a smaller amount and build up by taking a second look at how you spend your money. Number 4. Bargain together. A new designer movement is afoot. Even though the market is growing, high-end department stores and chic boutiques still sell some name-brand clothes. Used clothing stores, consignment shops, and thrift stores in general sell stylish designer clothes at prices that are very reasonable. Even thrift stores that have been around for a long time, like the Salvation Army, have added designer sections so that people can shop for clothes there. Building a good work wardrobe with new shirts and suits could cost hundreds of dollars, but used clothes of the same quality can be bought for a few dollars or more. Children's clothes and toys can be especially good deals at thrift stores, consignment shops, and garage sales, where people sell barely used items they no longer need. Number 3. Use cash. In a way, cash is real time. When you pay with cash, you don't have to do anything else or pay anything else later. Cash is also real time because when you run out of it, that's it. Taking out a set amount of cash helps you decide what to buy, and putting a limit on how much cash you can take out each week or month can help you spend less. For many people around the world, debit cards have replaced cash. One good thing about debit cards is that you can use them as cash without having to go to a bank or ATM or write a check. Some bad things about debit cards are that you must be responsible and watch out for theft. When you pay with cash, you can set a fixed budget in real money. But when you use a debit card, the money comes right out of your bank account, up to the limit of your balance. Number 2. Simplify. Because so many people want a simpler life, marketers have caught on and made more ways for people to buy things. When we believe in the idea of simplicity, we sometimes buy more things to help us organize what we already have. Even wanting less is used as a marketing tool, so simple living is more of a style than a real way of life. Before you buy something, think about similar things you already have at home that aren't being used. Then, shop for what you already have. Challenge yourself and your family to use up everything and only buy what you need so you don't end up with too many new things. As with buying, you could spend a month keeping track of what you use and what you don't use from what you already have. This will help you figure out what you can get rid of and not buy again. Number 1. Budget everything. If you are like millions of other people who make money, you might think that people who keep budgets are a different kind of person than you. Talking about budgets and being able to stick to them has a certain feel to it. And to be honest, it's kind of boring. Once you know how to keep track of your spending, living on a budget can become easy and even fun. Seeing what you have and what you spend is a reality check, but closing your eyes to your debt won't make it go away. A budget can. There are many free budget plans available in libraries and on the internet. There are a lot of different options, from simple one-page lists to complicated multi-page spreadsheets with bells and whistles. Spend some time looking for a fun budget sheet or package. So that's it for today. Was this video helpful? Share your views in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.